What it do, y'all? It's your girl Si-Yunna, and I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel where it's all about beauty, lifestyle, motivation, and being your true authentic self. Okay, so as y'all can see, I'm showing y'all a wig that I installed on one of my clients for her wedding a couple months back. And as y'all can see, it has a lot of glue, it has a lot of product, it has a lot of makeup. It's just balled up, crunchy, munchy, and just need to be saved. So that's what we're about to do. This video is going to be showing y'all how to properly remove all the product and makeup from your lace. First, I like to start with boiling my water, just to get that breakdown of everything. Like, I just want everything to break down. I had somewhere to be also, so you know, they kind of sped up the process as well. So I'm gonna start with using my conditioner by Tresemme Silky and Smooth. We're just gonna put that in, mix it all in, y'all. I also decided to use shampoo as well, just to kind of get all the product mixed up and going. I'm gonna use Dawn. Dawn is good for just breaking down that glue, and just when I go in and brush everything, it's just gonna allow it to just fall off. So yeah, this is me just setting up my camera so y'all can get the best view, period. So yeah, I let her sit for a little minute in the water just to kind of get everything off. As you can see, the water is just a little bit dirty from me letting it sit, so that's letting y'all see that this is already working. So I'm gonna apply the Dawn along the hairline or wherever there is glue at. Then y'all, I'm going to take a edge brush. And you don't have to use the edge brush, but I just advise it because it's just easier, smaller, it gets straight to the point. So this is me just brushing the edges down, making sure I get all of that glue out. Y'all want to do this, you want to use pressure, but you don't want to use so much pressure to where you tear the lace. We don't want to tear the lace. I know it looks like I'm being rough, but I'm really not. I'm just making sure that I just work it in, working my brush in circular motions back and forth however I need to, just to ensure that I get all of this glue out the lace, because I will not play with my clients or my products, so period. So yeah, look at the water, y'all. It's so dirty, but as you can see, everything came off like I needed it to. And yeah, so period. You know, I had to make some clean water to come back and just rewash my wig properly without all of the makeup and product or whatever. So this is me just conditioning the wig. As you can see, y'all, this hair is fire. My hair is fire. If I didn't say it before, this is hair from my hair extension business, The Heroin Dealer, on Instagram. I will be having a rebrand coming up really soon. I'm also working on my website as well. But yeah, y'all, let's get into that HD lace. Y'all can see straight through it. It's giving scalp without even being on the scalp. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna allow that conditioner to sit for about 10 minutes just to ensure that my bundles retain all the moisture that they can. So after this, y'all see that everything is gone, like gone. All you see is the bleach knots, no more glue. Everything is removed and gone and ready for her to wear. So I'm just drying her on this mannequin head. So next, y'all, I'm just about to flat iron the hair. When I flat iron my hair, I use Bio Silk. With Bio Silk, y'all, you really don't have to use a lot of product. Like, you literally only need just about one drop. Like, whatever you're about to see me use, boom, that's all you need. And that's all you need. Like, people use a lot of product, and I really don't feel like you should. Like, if you know how to use product, you know how to make it last and work for you. Like, people complain about, oh, that's too much, but that too much is gonna last you a long time if you know what you're doing. Okay, period. So this is me just flat ironing the wig, getting her right. Yeah, I really didn't have to do all of this to the wig, but I'm just an overachiever, and plus I don't play about my clients, nor do I play about stuff that I sell. Okay, so let's get into these bundles. Y'all see that move? Y'all see this shit moving? I don't even really gotta explain that part. Y'all see it. And I'm using a comb. I'm not even using a weed brush to go through this. I'm using a comb. As y'all can see, my bundles are full from root to end. Baby, swinging like Beyonce at a performance, okay? And boom. Told you, full to the end. So yeah, y'all, this is just me finalizing the wig, and y'all know I had to come and put her on one of my girls. Okay, shout out to my girl Samantha Key. She does all my makeup and also my makeup for my mannequins, also using my lashes from my hair company as well. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna just give this a moment of silence and let y'all just get into this wig and just see how fire it is. Like, y'all can't tell me this just didn't just come off her head. Like, period. And like I said, y'all, I'm rebranding really soon, so y'all stay tuned for my upcoming content, my upcoming videos, pictures, promo, and everything. Thank y'all for watching this video. Let me know if it was anything else that y'all wanted to know from this video, just anything else, period. Make sure y'all add me on social media. The links to my social medias will be in the description box and also located on my YouTube channel. So like I said, y'all, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't, and peace, y'all.